Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iRobot Roomba 405. Keep in mind, a restart is different from a factory reset. This is a simple power cycle. We're turning it off and back on. It's not going to wipe any data, unlink your account, or anything like that. If you're interested in the 405, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, it'll be hard for you to see, but those lights are illuminated. We do have it turned on. So we need to press and hold the power button for like 10 or 15 seconds. Maybe you can see the light change. You'll get a voice prompt too, letting you know it's powering down.
Powering off.
So then I'm going to let go. Once it told us it's powering off, the lights are now off. So we'll give it a couple of seconds here. Then we're going to press the power button to turn it back on. Again, hold it down for a couple of seconds. You'll notice the lights come on. It's going to take a couple of seconds until we hear a voice prompt letting us know it's powering back on as well. So the lights are illuminated. They're blinking. You'll hear a voice prompt letting you know it's powered on. I heard the speaker, it's coming.
Powering on.
Powering on. So there you go. Simple, straightforward to restart your Roomba 405.